These are my favorite side hustle apps for introverts like myself, apps that let you make extra money with little to no customer interaction, no awkward conversations, no stress, just simple tasks and extra cash. For this list, I wanted apps that required minimal talking, no passengers in your car, no selling, flexible hours can be done while already out running errands. So this is going to exclude apps like regular Uber driving passengers, apps like Uber Eats, DoorDash, where you have to deal with restaurants and customers, and then anything like online where you have to sell stuff like that. These are apps that you could download the app and start making money right away. First one is my favorite one, and this is going to be Field Agent. The reason why it works for introverts is it's mostly going to be photos of the shelves in stores, and usually in big stores like Walmart, Sam's Club, BJ's, Home Depot, Lowe's, where you could get lost in there. No one will bother you. The staff is kind of nowhere to be found, and you could just take your pictures of the shelves, of the displays, and keep it moving. I love this app. The only thing is, you can only reserve them when they're available, and this app is becoming more and more competitive. So there's a couple of tricks to actually get jobs with this app. Number one is if you download it and don't see anything in your area, don't instantly delete it. You're going to have to refresh throughout the day, and then you'll be able to reserve some. And then once you reserve them, you'll have 4 hours. I do this app almost every day. Every day. It's not super high paying. I probably hour to hour is probably the same as if I was doing Uber Eats or DoorDash, but with this one, it's much less stressful. You know exactly where you're going. You don't have to use your car to deliver anything. You don't have to shop for stuff in the store and look around the aisles. Really easy. You're just gonna go there, take some pictures, and leave. Some take a couple of minutes, some take a little bit longer, but definitely a great app for introverts. I could do this app and not talk to a single person and be out working for like 5 or 8 hours. This app pays cash once they get approved. Takes a couple of hours to a couple of days to get approved, depending on what day of the week it is, because real people are actually reviewing it. And then you could cash out direct deposit right into your bank account. The hardest part is actually finding the jobs and reserving them. You will run into a lot of times where you try to reserve one and it says it's not available. There's nothing wrong with the app. It's just competitive and someone took that job before you. The next app is going to be Moby. Same type of idea, mostly pictures of shelves, pictures of displays. A couple of key differences. Number one is it's going to be more seasonal. So during holiday seasons, the build up to Christmas, the build up to Valentine's Day, they're going to send you to stores to take pictures of seasonal displays, candy, seasonal aisles, stuff like that. There are some recurring ones that you could get year round, like the Show Me the Honey. That one is my favorite. Just go to the store, take some pictures of honey, scan some products. Pretty easy, kind of tedious, but you don't have to talk to anybody. You just go in the store, do what you have to do, and leave. This one pays a little bit different. It pays in gift cards, but they have a huge list of gift cards, so you could probably find the gift card somewhere where you already spend money, such as Target. My wife is really good at spending the Target gift cards. Third one is Observa. So this one is going to be similar to Field Agent, pays in cash. They still use PayPal, comes through your PayPal. And the downside is with this app, there's going to be far less gigs. There's none that's less than like 50 to 100 miles away at the moment. But don't let that discourage you because they do drop new ones. Sometimes they'll drop ones where it'll be at every Walmart, every supermarket, but they are rare. But the thing is, it pays like 3 to 5 times as much. Field Agent and Moby, most tasks are going to be $3 to $6. Observer, most of them are going to be like 6 to 12. And I've done ones all the way up to like $15, $16. They raise the price if no one does it. And this one is the most obscure one that not as many people know about. So the jobs do sit there for a while. So this is one where if there you see a job, you could go and do it. These ones are allowed to reserve them for 2 hours. Definitely a good one. Most of them are going to be just pictures of the shelf, pictures of displays. Some of them will say employee interaction is necessary. There'll be merchandising ones. There'll be stuff where you have to stock stuff at the store. Just don't do those ones. I just ignore those ones and only do the ones where it says that you don't have to interact with the staff at all. Those are the side hustles that I do out in the world that you can download right away and start doing. And I actually started a new channel about all my passive income systems. And if you want to check that out, you can watch this video.